Hey, my name's Oliver. I'm with Greenman's Building. We're at another passive build, actually in Spencerville. Super cool project. We'll go inside, I'll tell you all about it. What we're looking at is actually some dense packing that was done on a new build. This is a passive home in Spencerville. And what this is cellulose that was put into this cavity and we built up a lot of pressure. So afterwards, we're gonna be rolling down all of this cellulose so it's nice and compressed. So it's not gonna be settling. And then the drywall is gonna go on. But I wanna break down this wall a little bit. We have your interior 2x6, and this is a true 2x6. You're getting about 3.5 R value per inch. And then on the outside, you have this big, thick eye joist. So in the eye joist, you have a really great R value. And then you have on the inside where they stagger the framing, so you have no thermal bridging. Really cool system. We'll look at the ceiling for a sec. Right now, you see the zip sheeting. Past the zip sheeting, you have about 3 feet of dense packed cellulose. So really high R value for these homes. On top of that, you have these massive windows allowing so much sunlight in. So once that sunlight comes in, with all the insulation work we've done, it's gonna be really easy for the home to keep its temperature and make it really cheap, honestly, to operate this home throughout the year. This is not the actual house, this is the ADU, the accessory dwelling. And what they've done here is a little bit different. Instead of doing the super insulated walls, they've gone with zip R on the outside, and then they put, instead of your regular standard fiberglass, they were with rock wool, and they swapped out that 6mm plastic vapor barrier for a smart membrane. So really cool. Just another way to insulate a home. You could do dense packing, you could do band poly, but if you're gonna do band poly, you have an option like this. Material, you go with rock wool that is already superior to the R value. If ever you have water, it's hydrophobic, it's gonna drain right out. And you go with a smart membrane like this guy. This is the smart membrane by Patel. And what that does is if you ever have moisture, it allows the moisture to evaporate out or towards the home to where it can be part of the heating system, and then HRV will get it out, or ERV will get it out eventually. It doesn't get trapped behind the walls, and it blocks the air completely. So you don't have to completely rethink all your building, but there are fairly simple ways where you can build way better. If you have a home where you're looking to make it more efficient, or maybe you have a new build and you want to go, net zero performance or even passive, we've done tons of these projects, and we've done dense packing, we've done smart membranes, lots of rock wool work, and spray foam. So really, if you have something that's a little bit different and you're looking for a contractor that knows what they're doing in this more performance net zero space, my name is Oliver, Greenman's Building. We've done tons of these projects and we'd be happy to help you.